What's up, guys? Finally He Sleeps here. Today we are on the road. This is not necessarily like a how-to video. This is more of a rant. There's a little bit of how-to in here. But, so my son is off at college and he has multiple vehicles. The RSX build is his. The Civic hatch build is his. But they're not really daily drivers per se. So I get this text message of the exhaust that's broke at this weird spot, and I'm gonna, I said, well, what are you gonna do? Can't drive it home. You could tow the vehicle, which is always a giant pain in the ass with lowered vehicles. No big deal. Grab a die grinder, angle grinder, maybe a jack to get the car lifted up. I'll be there in 45 minutes to an hour. No big deal. Then stop and realize this is out in the middle of a parking lot. There's nowhere to plug it in. And how am I going to cut this thing off? The solution that I've come up with is a 400 watt converter with an extended cord running through my daily, and then a Dremel and a cutoff wheel, and to attempt to cut this back at the catalytic converter. That's my plan. So I'm making the hour trek to college to do this and hope that this all works out. And this is all on the expectation that there's no way, if the catalytic converter it's at least 6-7 years old, and the bolts are going to be seized up and rusted. There's no way I'm going to be able to unbolt the exhaust. I'm going to have to cut it, and we're going to see how this is going to go. I've got everything I need to do this. Got jack and stands, and I should be ready to make this work. Will it work? We'll see. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you're looking for more car related content, make sure you subscribe here on the GearHeads channel. If you're looking for video game stuff, we've divided YouTube up into 4 different channels. Over there you'll see the link for FC Mobile, Raid Shadow Legends, and then GearHeads for a few laughs, basically where we make fun of the alpha male.